Hi everyone, and welcome to another video of Linux for Absolute Beginner. My name is Tia from DevOps Easy Learning, and today we'll be going through case sensitive in Linux or even in IoT. All right. When we say case sensitive, what does that mean basically? Basically, on Linux, you need to be kind of really careful. For instance, as you guys can see, Linux is case sensitive because if we say A and also capital A, this is different. The uppercase and the lowercase is just really different. It is a big deal with Linux, right? Linux do care about this. Like when you say computer, when you say computers, and also computers here you start here with uppercase, here we start with lowercase. What does that mean in Linux? If you want to kind of change directory into this one computer, which is with uppercase, you need to make sure that you start with uppercase. What does that mean? Let me go ahead here and pull up my terminal here. I am already connected on a Linux server, and if you tap ls, there is nothing here. Let me create a directory here. We'll create a directory with just a command called mkdir, and if you tap mkdir and just go ahead here and put computers here like this with capital computer. As you guys can see here, I have computer. Let me try to create another one called computer with just lowercase. As you guys can see, we have two. One is computer with uppercase, another one is computer with lowercase. If you're trying to CD here and say computer, yes, and I just press C and I press tab, that is going to work. I can CD into that. Oops, that is going to work. As you guys can see, PWD. I am here in computer. Now, let me CD dot again and just move one step back. ls. Let's say I want to CD into this particular computer. What happens here is that if you type, I have to type C and start with capital C with type computer before you can take me in there. Otherwise, I will not be able. Why? Because Linux is key sensitive, right? Key sensitive, which means if you write something, if something starts with uppercase and you want to use it, you need to make sure that you are using uppercase, right? Why? Windows here don't really care about that. Windows will not care about it. If you are walking through the command line and something starts with uppercase, Windows doesn't care. If you like, you type it using lowercase, Windows will be able. Like for instance, if you go ahead and kind of remove this one, let's just type this command rm, which is just a command to delete a directory in Linux. And if you remove this one, and let's say I want to change directory here into this, if you type this will never work. As you can see, I cannot move on. I need to start with capital C. And as soon as I start with capital C and tap for auto completion, it is going to work. Why? Because of key sensitive, right? Be very careful. And also, the best way in Linux is to write everything in lowercase, guys, not uppercase. As you are going into the IT world, please try to remove the uppercase in your head. Like, don't start anything with capital letter. Write everything with lowercase to make your life easy, and also make those who will be working with this thing life easy. Because if you create a file in Linux and start with uppercase, what happens is that it is going to give me some extra work to kind of open that file, because when I want to open the file, I need to make sure that I use, if you start with uppercase, that I tap uppercase to open that. But sometimes, by the time that somebody is just going to press the lock cap to make sure that he switched to uppercase and tap the letter C, that is a lot of work, right? Why don't you just put it in lowercase so that I will not waste my time and go and tap the lock cap and go ahead and make sure I tap capital C and just type C and tap, maybe for auto completion. That make your life easy, and also make the life of those who might be or who are going to use whatever you are working on easy, right? So that they can type it easily. Like you are working somewhere, you have this, if you want to create stuff with uppercase, when somebody else is going to work on that, he will get mad a little bit because you are him some extra work to always make sure that he press a lock cap and type something on uppercase, type another one in lowercase, right? That is not good. Put everything in lowercase going forward, guys. That's it for this video. If you like this video, please let me know in the comment below. And also, if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please go ahead and do so that you'll be notified when we publish a new video. And also, please don't forget to follow us on social media such as TikTok, Twitter, Instagram, and so on. Thank you. Bye-bye.